The Most Dangerous Cities in Connecticut 2024, Part 1. Number 10. Hamden. Hamden is a smaller city in south-central Connecticut and is home to the Mill River and the Quinnipiac River, which flow to the Long Island Sound. Both violent and property crime rates in Hamden exceed both the state and national average. Hamden's crime per mile is 3 times the state's average. The violent crime rate in Hamden is 3.89 per 1,000 residents. Number 9. Norwalk. Norwalk is a moderately large city in Connecticut, located in the northern tier of the state. It is best known as the site where the Chamber Music Festival is held by Yale's Summer School of Music. Norwalk crime rates tend to fall in line with the rest of the state averages, although its crime per square mile is 3 times the Connecticut crimes per square mile average. Norwalk's property crime rate is 12.86 per 1,000 residents. Follow for Part 2, The Most Dangerous Cities in Connecticut 2024, Part 2. Number 8. New London. New London is a Connecticut seaport city that is situated where the Thames River meets the Long Island Sound. Both violent and property crime statistics in New London equal state averages, although the crimes per mile in New London are 4 times higher than the state average. Number 7. Norwich. Norwich is a small city located in the eastern part of the state in New London County. Norwich's violent crime data is near twice the state average, and its crime per mile statistics exceed Connecticut's state average. The most dangerous neighborhoods in Norwich are City Center West, Center City East, and Mile Cross. The violent crime rate in Norwich is 3.07 per 1,000 residents, and the property crime rate is 15.44 per 1,000 residents. Follow for Part 3. The Most Dangerous Cities in Connecticut 2024, Part 3. Number 6. Meriden. Meriden is a small to moderate-sized city located in North New Haven County. Meriden is of historical note as it was a stop on Lincoln's 1860 campaign trail. Its crimes per square mile statistic is above the state average. The violent crime rate in Meriden is 3.59 per 1,000 residents, and the property crime rate is 21.08 per 1,000 residents. Number 5. New Britain. New Britain, which is only a few miles to the south of the city and west of the capital city, Hartford, is known as Hardware City. The violent crime rate statistic in New Britain is 2.5 times that of the state average, and the overall crime per square mile exceeds the state average 9-fold. The violent crime rate in New Britain is 4.06 per 1,000 residents, and the property crime rate is 26.35 per 1,000 residents. Follow for Part 4, The Most Dangerous Cities in Connecticut 2024, Part 4. Number 4. Waterbury. Waterbury is situated on the Naugatuck River, about 80 miles north of NYC and 30 southwest of Hartford. It has primarily been an industrial town, but its location and connections to NYC through Metro North make it a bedroom community as well. Residents of Waterbury have nearly twice the chance of being a property crime victim than the state average, which happens to fall below the national mean level. The violent crime rate is 3.03 per 1,000 residents. Number 3. Bridgeport. Bridgeport ranks as Nutmeg State's largest city. Like most large urban areas, Bridgeport has its share of crime. However, its rate of violent crimes has become a far worse problem than property crimes. After dark, the risk of mugging in Bridgeport increases, so be alert and try to avoid traveling at night, especially alone. Follow for Part 5, The Most Dangerous Cities in Connecticut 2024, Part 5. Number 2. Hartford. Hartford, which is among the oldest cities in the United States, was established in 1635. While property crime is above the state average, violent crime is a more serious issue as it is nearly 3 times the state's violent crime rate statistic. In terms of the number of crimes per square mile, Hartford's rate is approximately 10 times the state average. Number 1. New Haven. New Haven is the home to the main campus of Yale University and a city located on the coast between Bridgeport and New London. The crime rate in New Haven is nearly 4 times the state average. The violent crime rate is 6.03 per 1,000 residents. While downtown comes alive at night, stay away from some of the rougher parts like Fairhaven and the Hill neighborhoods. Follow for more.